the audit report is now with the EACC and with the Office of the Director of Public Prosecution. And what we wanted to, an assurance from the chairman of IEBC is, what if EACC DPP recommends, prosecution of some of the staff? I think the chairman has assured us that they will not stand in the way of prosecution of any culpable staff member, be it, those people who may have committed certain offenses. Of course, we express our concern that for the longest time in this country, even though we talk of electoral malpractices, we've never really seen anybody within the electoral management body itself being arraigned in court and charged for electoral malpractices. So the chairman assured us that perhaps when this report, the audit report, whatever EACC will recommend or DPP will recommend, we hope that they will have some findings, and if those findings implicate some of the staff, they will definitely not stand in the way. The other thing we discussed is how can we make the election less expensive for this country. Our party is proposing a very simple solution, that, if you look at the process of registration of voters, it's going on throughout and it costs Kenyans billions of Kenya shillings. Supposing upon receipt of a national ID, you integrate the database of the registrar of persons together with that of the IEB, so it becomes an automatic voters register. We thought that is an idea whose time has come. Instead of bothering Kenyans every election here, that we go for a registration of voters, why not just adopt an ID? After all, if you're an adult Kenyan who has a national ID, you're as good as a voter. So that we remove this cumbersome need of registration.